In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replicate your data by duplicating tabs here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on some data and you want to make a copy of this, just to make a comparison, if you do want to make changes to the copy, what some would do would be to copy the entire data like so, right-click, select copy, open a new tab, then paste. And here it is. But with that, you might miss some of the data. Like for this one, I've copied until 51st row, but if I go back to the original one, you'll see that there is more. That space has separated my entire data and did not allow me to select everything. So this is just for example. Let's say you've missed some of the data within your spreadsheet, and just to make sure that you do select everything, you can go to this one, then right click and copy, then go back to that sheet, then paste. So now we've pasted everything. But that's a lot of steps just to copy and paste your data. What you can actually do would be to, let's delete this, go back to your original data, go to the drop down on your sheet, and select duplicate. So if we click on this, it will create a copy of your original sheet right here. So this is the original and this is a copy. So it's an exact replicate of your data, making sure that everything in that spreadsheet is copied with just a few clicks. And so instead of copying, opening a new tab, and then pasting, all you have to do now would be to just click on that drop down and select duplicate. You can also do this in a new spreadsheet. And instead of duplicate, we're going to select copy to. Now you can copy this into a new spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet. Let's try it with a new spreadsheet. Click on that. So it has successfully copied that sheet. And if we open it, there we have it. So this is an entirely new spreadsheet. We don't have a name for this file yet, but we do have the entire replicate of our original data, just in a new file. And there you have it. So we've successfully replicated our data into a new sheet or into a new spreadsheet. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.